Alright everybody, I'm back for another pour today. I'm just gonna do a regular swipe and just play. So basically the same colors as I had last time. I am going to add 24 karat gold to the lineup. It may still be too thick, but you know what, I'm just gonna play. And I'm gonna play with my document protectors combined with paper towels. And we'll just see what we get. It's all good, you know? You just gotta keep playing around. Part of this whole process is just learning what your artistic voice is, you know? Because I don't know what I'm necessarily gonna be good at, or what I'm gonna particularly be drawn to. You know, of things I can say, I can definitely say I'm drawn to so far are the deconstructive blooms and the cloud pours. But I need to get this on my list of things because it's just a good technique to know. Alright, so let's just play. I want to get some blue in there. Always got to watch out with that gold. So let's... Oh, what the heck was that? Oh my god. It's like throwing things into the paint. Before I even get started. At least I saw it. Alright, so let's just play. We're going to Colorado Springs tomorrow to see family and pick out a chandelier for our new house build that we've got going on in North Carolina. I think I've mentioned it. And I can't wait because there'll be peace and quiet there. So that was a 24 karat gold. Let's do some of this burnt sienna. This is a nice color. It's kind of in the same family as the Nicolazo gold. I don't know if I should even waste the silver. Oh, let's do it. Because I have a silver background. It's kind of a doubling up on it. Let me see if I can get some blue on it. I don't know if the blue's gonna work. Let's just try. I don't know if the blue goes with this or not. I like the blue. I'd like it to work. And what haven't I done yet? I haven't done... Oh, there goes the construction next door again. This is the Golden's gold. And let's just put a little more pearl on there. Oh, black. Hello. This is the carbon black from Golden. All right. use my swipers. See what we get. So to spare everybody from having to listen to that saw grinding through the wood next door, and in the interest of time, I'm just going to double time through this section. You see what I'm doing. I'm going to be swiping with the document protectors like I had a few videos before until I come up with something that I think is cool. It's in this section, doing the second side, I realized that I think I pulled all my black into the first part. So I'm going to have to go back through with some additional black to kind of balance it out. just pointing out that there's too much base showing through, so I'm gonna put a little extra color over that section and swipe it through. Alright everybody, it looks like I'm wrapping this puppy up. I just cleaned up my edges, torched it, make sure I get out air bubbles, tilting it, make sure there's not much paint left on there for helping it dry better. And yeah, that was a fun one. I'm glad it was shorter than the last one. Makes up for the extra time. So if you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you like to leave a comment, please go ahead. I'd like to hear what you guys think. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. All you have to do is hit the bell, click all, and you'll be up to date with all the latest videos I put out. And it really will help me grow my channel. So there she is. Thanks again, guys, for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed it, and please take care. Bye-bye now.